Go to lumi.education and click on desktop editor, and then you can download the desired version either directly from Microsoft Store or download installer, that is exe file with auto update option for a single user. Once you download, double click the exe file and it will install. Once you install the Lumi application opens and this dialog pops up. So enable the settings, automatic updates and privacy policy, language obviously English. Then I say accept all or accept selected. So I say accept selected, and now the application opens. You select H5P editor, then click on create new H5P. This is the H5P editor. You will have all the content types listed here. Above you see two tabs, view and edit. On the left hand side you see to open a H5P file or to create a new H5P file, you will be using these. On top you have three menu options, file, edit and help. So now we will search for image hotspots. So first time when you are using, if the libraries are not downloaded, it will show you get option. Click on get and then install. Once it is installed, you will see use option. Click on this use option and now you are in image hotspots editor. Okay, this is the title and you will be providing the title here, and then you will be adding a background image. This will be your second step, and then you will be adding hotspots. These are the default settings. We are not touching about hotspot icon or the color. Okay, and come down, and then this is your hotspot position you will be positioning. For example, if I add a background image here, then here at the position you will be able to position your hotspot. Let us look at this. Added an image here, so you can click on edit copyright and provide what is the title of the image, who is the author, and the license details and source where you procured this image. Then click on this cross. You can provide alternative text. You have to provide for accessibility purposes. So I will write, this is the screenshot of Lumi application installation process. So this is my screenshot. That's why I have given alternative text for this image. Depending upon the image, you will be providing the description here. Okay, here I will see hotspot position. Okay, so I will adjust. If you want, you can use this magnifying resizing option, and then exactly you can place your hotspot. Then come down, you provide a header. Installer, and then pop-up content. This is the pop-up content, whether you want to use text, video or image, you can choose. First let us try with text. Let's add text, and here you please provide the text that you want when a user clicks on a hotspot, that should pop up. Here I selected my hotspot on the Lumi setup installer. So I will say Lumi setup running after clicking the exe file. Okay, so let us first save this file and save option. Because we haven't provided any title, it is not saving. So first you have to provide a title to this activity. So I've provided. Now I'll say save. So it will be saved on the desired location as H5P package. Now I'll use this view button to view how it looks. This is my background image. This is the hotspot that I added. When I click on that, see, this is how it shows. This is the header and this is the text content item that we have added. Now, if I want to add another hotspot, you will be using this option, add hotspot, and you'll be following the same steps. Or if you want to add to the same hotspot an image, then you will be selecting this add item and then select image or video, whatever you want to add, and then add. And then to export this as a HTML file, you'll click on File, then Export, and select all-in-one HTML file, show rights and permissions, and then click on Export Now, and then it will be exported as a HTML file. Remember, whenever you are creating an activity, it's good practice to provide all the license details. So here next to title, there is a metadata option. Click on metadata, then you can provide the license with which you want to release, and then source from where this content have been taken and who is the author. All these details you please add, and then click on save metadata.